Hello folks, I'm back with another video. Today is November 23rd, 2022, and on your screens right here is a sale I got today from an email I sent out yesterday. Folks, what I have been telling you for the last couple days, couple weeks, months, my Legion Secret with ClickBank works. Especially my Legion Secret with ClickBank works. I've been using this for 8 months now, and this really changed my life and made me want to become an affiliate marketer from now on. So at first, all I did was send out an email to my leads that I have, and I got a sale. So let's look at the impressions here, the analytics. So right here, 25 hops, 4 initial impressions, 1 initial sale, 4 conversion rate, hop conversion rate, 25% conversion rate, the EPC of 87 cents. That's it, folks. My Legion Secret does work. Don't believe in everything else saying, oh, it's not a scam. You got to try it yourself. I've been using my Legion Secret for 8 months now. Changed my life forever. It can change yours too. Comment, like, and subscribe for more. 0 to 1,000. Out.